Can you say it again?
I love you.
Who are you saying I love you to?
I you.
To who?
I love you.
Who are you saying I love you to?
I
Grandma, yeah.
I
Say it all together. I love you, Grandma.
grandma.
Yeah, what about Grandpa? Say I love you, Grandpa.
I love
Yeah.
grandma.
Grandpa, yeah. You're such a good boy. Can you say see you soon?
Hi, Sean.
See you soon. Bye-bye.
Hi, Sean.
Can you give him a thumbs up?
Yeah.
Yeah. Say, hey, dude. Hey, dude. Yeah. Cover your mouth when you cough. Or don't shove your spoon in it, though. You having puff puffs?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, I'm going to shut the camera off. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I love you, Grandma. Say,
Daddy.
that was Daddy. Yeah, he's working downstairs. Say, I love you, Grandma.
I love
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Kisses. Mwah, good boy.